Guys, I swear to God, you won't believe what you will see now, right now with your eyes. You won't believe what you will see right now with your eyes. How I made this with just Argo 24. I create my own AI chatbot. You understand? I create my own AI chatbot. Now let's check this now on webs. Let's check this now on web. I have even embedded into a web so that users can be able to chat it on web. You understand? Guys, all you need now is just reach out. If you reach out, bro, you will regret. Oh, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. It's responding as real. Is in fact, why do I even say real? Is normal AI. Now, that CynïxSub you are seeing is this particular real app you are seeing. So I created this CynïxSub AI chatbot for this CynïxSub app so that users can be able to have a customer support. Maybe if they have an issue with the app, the customer support AI will be the one to assist them. You understand? But now this AI is doing signs and wonders. You understand? It's responding more than what I even think. This is not something you just write. When somebody asks like this, you respond like this. This one is more intelligent though. It can guide you through steps on how to purchase electricity on my app. You can see what I'm asking him. I want to know I want to know more about your services. Now you can see the AI has just delivered the message. Welcome, CynïxSub. Welcome. CynïxSub is designed to make your everyday. You can check it yourself. You can check it yourself, bro. This AI app I just made now, this AI page is transforming. It's transforming, bro. It's transforming. You understand? You know how to. If you learn I will give you the code. The code day. You understand? The code day. You can see how the stuff works. It even teach you everything about the work. AI, Airtime day, data day, everything he explained, everything the AI explained is there in this CynïxSub app. You understand? They talk about buying of data, buying of Airtime data and the electricity bill. Now look at this guy asking how can I purchase Airtime? That is what this guy now is asking. How can I purchase Airtime? Look at it now. He's responding. He said great. Purchasing Airtime is a straightforward process. He's starting teaching the guy how to purchase it. You understand? The number, the person need to enter his number and need to select the network and the amount, and boom, you pay. Exactly. Everything. See, this is miraculous, bro. It's science and wonders, bro. So guys, get the code now. I just small money, cost. I just small money. Get the code and learn how to do your own AI.